Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker easy lasagna. Alright, I'm starting out in my pressure cooker. I was set on saute brown and it's hot. And I have a pound of lean ground beef here. This is still a little frozen, but that's fine. I'm going to get this in here and get it all browned up. Alright, now that my ground beef is about halfway browned up, I have one medium onion here I diced up. And guys, these are these disposable Dixie cutting boards. I really like them. They're not that expensive. You get 10 of them for like $3.50. Supposed to use them, throw them away. Well, I actually, wash them up and use them a couple times. And your knife won't go with them, so they're really convenient. And I'm not getting paid by Dixie or anything. I'm just saying because I like them. Alright, I'm going to stir my onion in here with the ground beef, and I'm going to allow that to saute for a few minutes until the ground beef is fully browned up and the onion starts to soften up and turn translucent. Alright, now that my ground beef is browned up and my onions are softened, I'm going to add in some pre-diced garlic. I'm going to add in about 4 cloves worth. So if you use fresh, use about 4 cloves. Alright. Now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We're going to try to keep all of our spices the same quantity to make it easy. A teaspoon of salt, and if you're on a salt restricted diet you can leave this out or cut it back. A teaspoon of sugar, and trust me guys, sugar goes good in pasta sauce. And a half a teaspoon of black pepper. What that sugar do is that'll balance out the acidity of the tomatoes that we're putting in here. Now I'm going to take a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. That's going in. I'm going to put in a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. And I'm going to put in 4 ounces of tomato paste. This is a 6-ounce can. So I'm just going to eyeball it. And I know this is wasteful, guys, but tomato paste costs next to nothing, so it'll be fine. Now I'm going to dump in 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use water if you like instead of chicken broth, but chicken broth or vegetable broth will give you a better flavor, make it more flavorful for you. And I'm just going to stir this around. Alright, now I have a 12-ounce box of bow tie pasta. I'm going to get that down in there. One little bit left in there. Stir that down in there. Alright, I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure we're set on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes are up, I'm going to let this do a natural release of the pressure for 5 minutes. Then after that, we'll release the rest of the pressure on our own. Alright, I just released the pressure after I've got set for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take some Italian blend cheese here. And I'm going to sprinkle some in here. We're going to stir that in. Break that clump up. And if you wanted to, you could add some ricotta cheese in here if you liked. But I'm not going to worry about all that. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I add a little more cheese on top, and I put some Italian seasoning on there for a little color and extra flavor. Now if you want yours a little thicker, let it sit in the pot for about 10 more minutes, and that'll thicken right up for you. But I don't mind mine like this. Give that a try. Pasta's tender. Sauce is really delicious. You get that cheese. More cheese, please. That's really delicious, guys. It wasn't hard at all. It's like lasagna without all the fuss. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker easy lasagna. Give it a try, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.